Hi there, and welcome to this tutorial about Tripetto. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to use so-called branches, and the appropriate settings, to make sure you take the right respondents through the right questions. Let's have a look. For the purpose of this tutorial, we've already prepared two really simple questions. The first is a radio button question, allowing the respondent to only select one single option. And the second has checkboxes, thus allowing the selection of more than just a single option. We're now going to add some logic to each of these two questions. In the following examples, we'll be using several features we cover in more detail in other tutorials, like simple and advanced logic, and the piping of answers. For more context on these features, please also check out those tutorials. The first question, right here, has three possible answers, from which only a single one can be selected. Let's say we want a specific follow-up for respondents choosing either full-time or part-time. To do so, we create a new branch, like this, and we add the two desired options as the conditions for it, like so. Now, let's have a look at the bubble shown at the top of each branch. There, we can determine how the branch should behave. The standard behavior, as currently shown by the icon inside the bubble, is to take respondents through the branch just once, if any of the set conditions is met. So, in this example, respondents answering either full-time or part-time, are automatically directed here. Next, we can create the following question we wish to ask. In this case, for instance, a job title, like this. The real-time view, here on the right, will now show this follow-up when one of the two options we set for this branch is selected. Let's now have a look at the other question we've prepared, to demonstrate another possible branch behavior. This question, right here, is multiple choice. It allows respondents to select more than one answer. And contrary to the previous example, we want respondents to be taken through the following branch in its questions not once, but for every one of the selected options. In other words, the branch should be repeated for every selected answer. To get this done, we can instantly create the desired branch, here, and then select all above, and in a single branch. This gets us our branch, with all of the answer options in the question, set as the branch conditions. If we have a look at the bubble at the top of this branch, we'll see a different icon than before, representing a different behavior. In this case, the questions in this particular branch will be repeated for every answer selected by the respondent. Next, we can create the following question we wish to ask. And in this case, as said, it will be repeated for every selected answer option in the previous question. And last but not least, to make the follow-ups even smarter, you can directly use the selected answers in the question text by piping them there, like this. More on this in our tutorial about the piping of answers. When we take a look at our setup in the real-time view, here on the right, and if we select multiple answers, we will see the follow-up repeated for every option we pick, including the right answer text for the right iteration. So, that's how you use branches and the right settings, for building clever forms in Tripetto. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, just contact us through our website. We're happy to help.